Hi everyone, welcome to Easy English channel. We are uploading this video after a long while. So we are again coming back to new series of videos. In this series, we will talk about some pronunciation tips, and we'll upload those videos which will be helping you to improve your communication skills and improve your pronunciation of words as well. We are starting with very basic video today in which we will tell you how to pronounce the words in which some letters are silent. We will study letter by letter and we'll see how we can pronounce these words when some letters are silent in these words. At last, you can also practice these words and improve your pronunciation of English language, and you have to learn how to accommodate these words into your language also. You can also prepare some sentences with these words and practice them verbally to improvise your pronunciation and communication skills as well. So let's begin. Silent B. So we'll start with silent B letter words. So here in silent B letter words, there are certain words like climb, comb, dumb, and crumb. So these in these words, B letter is silent. So you don't have to pronounce B. You have to say climb, comb, dumb, crumb. Now silent C letter words like muscle. We don't say muscle, it's muscle. So whenever CLE comes, so your C will be silent. So we should say muscle. Don't say muscle, right? Muscle is the right pronunciation. Now silent letter D. So silent letter D has got certain words like sandwich, Wednesday, handkerchief. We don't say handkerchief. We should say handkerchief. We should say sandwich. We should say Wednesday. So these are the words in which you have to uh, you don't have to pronounce D letter. You have to hide it. Like Wednesday. We don't say Wednesday. Wednesday is a wrong pronunciation. We should say Wednesday. Handkerchief. And we should say sandwich. Next, silent E letter words. Hope. We don't say hopey. We should say hope, write, drive, gave, sight. We don't say sighty. So in these words, E letter is silent. So hope, write, drive, gave, sight. Silent G. In silent G, you don't have to pronounce G letter, like foreign, champagne. We should say champagne, sign, fail. Foreign, champagne, sign, and fail. Now let's come to right side. Silent H letter words. Friends, remember we should say H. We don't say H. It's wrong pronunciation. H. White, whale, what, and honest. We don't say honest. We should say honest. Here H is silent. Next, silent K. Knock, no, knee, knife, knowledge. There are more words you can pronounce. You can also frame sentences with these words and then practice them verbally to improvise your pronunciation drills. Silent L. So L will be silent when these letters come in the word like L, D, M, F, K. Let's see these words. Half, talk, calm, should, walk, should, walk. Then silent N, autumn, Heim. We don't say autumn. N is not pronounced over here. Autumn, Heim, silent P, psychology. We should say psychology. It's not psychology. We should say psychology. Psych, psycho, pneumonia. We don't say pneumonia, right? Pneumonia. So P is silent in these words. So let's revise it once more. B letter words: climb, dumb, comb, crown. C letter words, muscle. Don't say muscle, it's muscle. Your muscles are strong. Silent D, sandwich, Wednesday, and handkerchief. Hope, silent E, hope, right, drive, gave, sight, silent G, foreign, champagne, sign, fade. Then silent H, white, will, what, honest. Don't say honest. Then silent K, knock, no, knee, knife, knowledge, knowledgeable. Silent L, L is silent with these letters. So half, talk, calm, should, walk. Silent N, autumn, hind. Silent P, psychology, psych, psyche, psycho, and pneumonia. So these are the few words in which these letters are silent. At last, you can also write these words, learn the pronunciation, and it would be great if you use these words in your language to improve your communication skills. This will be really helpful, friends. If you go for vocal practice, it will give you good command over the language. Once you will be through with the language, you can speak out impeccable English. So thank you very much, friends, for watching this video. I hope you have liked this session of pronunciation drills. We'll come up with more videos to teach you how to improvise your pronunciation drills. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon to get latest updates of videos on your screen. Have a nice day. Bye bye.